Hey everyone, this is Dr. Sapnil Parikh from Sapnil Tutoring Incorporated. In today's video, we're going to be talking about everything you need to know about the HSPT accommodations. That's for students that need extra time based on certain qualifications and criteria to get extra accommodations when they take the HSPT exam. So the HSPT is a high school placement test. It's generally given at the end of the year, and it's for Catholic high school entrance into private high schools. So what are HSPT accommodations and who qualifies? So they're made for test environment or format to support students with disabilities or medical conditions. They can be in a documented learning disabilities such as dyslexia, dysgraphia, dyscalculia, attention deficit, hyperactivity disorder, ADHD, visual, hearing, or mobility impairments, medical conditions such as diabetes, anxiety disorders, epilepsy, and psychological disorders such as OCD or generalized anxiety disorder. You'll need official documentation proving that your criteria meets the needs for accommodations request. Common HSPT accommodations are about 8 different ones. The first one, extended timing, anywhere between 50% to 100%, small group or individual testing to low distraction settings, large print or braille test materials, assistive technology such as screen readers or speech-to-text software, scribe or typing assistance, frequent or extended breaks, permission to use a calculator, and then medical support accommodations such as medications, taking extra breaks for snacks or water, or medical devices. How to apply for HSPT accommodations. These can be found on our website as well as a link below that will attach some information. But generally, step one is you want to contact the school administering the HSPT at least about a month to 2 months before the test date. I'd recommend anywhere between 2 to 3 months. Number two, or step two, is submit documentation, official proof of the student's need for accommodations, a formal diagnosis from a doctor, a psychiatrist, a neuropsychologist, a psych ed evaluation professional at a school, a letter from the school, and then an individual education plan or a 504 plan. Step three is wait for their approval, and step four is schedule with the HSPT with approved accommodations. Where can students take the HSPT with accommodations? Generally, the school administering the tests will have a separate facility on site for students that have the accommodations. So those facilities, you just got to double check with them and call them. Important deadlines, like I said, anywhere between 2 to 3 months before is when you want to start this process. Some of the frequently asked questions about HSPT is, will my child's score report be reflected with that accommodations? And no, it will not. Can I apply for accommodations after the HSPT? It depends, but we recommend not doing that. Does having an IEP or 504 guarantee? Not automatically. Can accommodations be denied? Yes, of course they can be denied if they feel that it's not an adequate request. Do the accommodations apply to all different test sections in the HSPT? And yes, they do. And can they take it on a different day if they need accommodations? You have to check with the specific school they're taking the test at. Overall, these HSPT accommodations can be very, very powerful for students that need them, and this is something that we can help with. My name is Dr. Sapnil Parikh, and for the past 15 years, my team and I have helped over 10,000 students in the areas of test prep, advising, accommodations, cognitive test prep, athletic advising, and so much more. If you'd like to learn more about how your child can get set up for accommodations testing for the HSPT or any other exam, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at the number listed below or by email. Thank you so much, and we look forward to helping you achieve your academic goals.